I get to the stop sign, I stop, then I turn on my turn signal, right? Now I'm turning right. What did I do wrong? I didn't tell anybody what I was gonna do. I told everybody what I was doing, right? That's wrong. That's not a good way to use your turn signal. The proper way to do that would have been to let people know what I'm going to do, right? That way people can make their decisions based on what they know I am about to do, okay? If people don't know what you're going to do, they can't make proper decisions for their own vehicle, for their own sake, for the people that are in their car. The purpose of a turn signal is to let people know what you're about to do, not what you're doing or what you already did. Sometimes you'll see people turn on their turn signal after they've made the turn, thinking, well, I guess I should have used my turn signal back there. So they turn it on after they've made the turn. But what's the point in that? People are already scratching their heads and wondering, why isn't that person properly using their turn signal?
Left 4.5 off the crest, left 4.5, left 4.5.
Sorry. Sorry, lovey. You all right?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Sorry.
Just turn out of it. That's it.
Okay.
I think I called it late. I'm sorry if I called it late.
All right. Let's get out and show the OK boards.
Crest,